Welcome students. In this video, we will learn about notice writing. 3 examples were given in the video which will help you to attempt the notice in a correct format. Watch the video minutely till the end to understand the topic better. Now let us see what is a notice. A notice is a method of communication, but it is a formal one. As it is a formal one, it has a proper structure. A notice is a formal means of communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events, and occasion to a specific group of people. A notice is a written or printed information that can be in the form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance. Since a notice is primarily meant to inform a large number of people, it must be very clear and brief. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display board, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by the government appeared in newspaper. It is a very important form of written communication. We must know where the notices are used. Notices are used in schools, organizations, government boards, etc. What is the purpose of writing a notice? The notice is used to inform people about various events, issues, and to give public instruction. If something need to be announced or displayed to a specific group of people, then notices can be used. It is also used to extend invitation or to make appeals. In school, it is used to give instruction, orders, or warnings. Before writing a notice, we must keep few points in our mind. A well-written notice must inform the readers about what is going to happen, that is, the event, where it will take place, when it will take place, that is, the date and time, who can apply or is eligible for it, whom to contact or apply to, that is, the issuing authority. Only the important points should be written. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. They should be in the passive voice as far as possible. The notice should be presented within a box. The word limit for a notice is 50 words. Only the words in the body of the notice are counted. Information given in a notice must be clear and should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. First and second person pronouns like I and you should never be used. Now, let us see the format of the notice, which is also very important. There is a fixed format which you need to follow. So, at the top of the notice, you have to write the name of the institution, and then you need to write the word notice. Both should be in the capital letter, that is name of the institution and the word notice. Mention the word notice after a line because it will make the notice comprehensible and won't look cluttered. Then, date of the issue should be written at the left side after notice. Then the heading should be there, and the heading should be catchy and attractive, and the heading should also be in the capital letter. And then the content, keeping in mind all the points given in the PDF. And at the left corner, you need to mention name and designation, which is very important. After writing the notice, don't forget to put it in a box because it is included in your format and your marks will be deducted if you don't put it in a box. It is necessary to put your notice in a box.